All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Pepe. So, from the last update on Pepe, we're looking at this bear flag pattern, which it looks like it is playing out now. You can see we broke down below the bottom of that flag, that 382 support at 11.3. Had a nice little bounce on the 0.5, and we're already getting stuck at that 382 and the bottom of that flag for resistance. So, that to me would be your confirmation that this thing's about to fall off the table here. So if the measured move from this thing is going to play out, you may be headed back down to this accumulation zone on Pepe. So Pepe's about to drop if the measured move plays out all the way back down here to that 5.9 level for almost a 45% drop from where you are right now at 10.7. So if it is going to do that, it is going to repeat history. We've been pointing this out, that the last time we had that spike up, we formed this bear flag pattern, broke below it, and then eventually just came all the way back down to the low and then took out that low. That is where that accumulation took place down here. So are we going to repeat history? That is the big question. As of right now, it is. It had that move up, formed that bear flag, broke to the bottom, and we may get Pepe down here at the low and then potentially even lower for a move like this, and maybe all the way down here to these levels at that 1414 at 2.3. That is a possibility. If that is going to play out, then you can see from where we are right now, Pepe's potentially going to drop from where you are about 78-79% here in the next coming weeks and months here. That may be in play before the next bull run. Pepe may come all the way down here and then go sideways and then go back up. So that would be prime Pepe buying opportunity, in my opinion. If we zoom out before we end this update, we'll stay on the daily chart so you can see the volume that I'm going to talk about here. But if we just simply scroll back, you can see if you take out this volume area, this low here, and it is going to repeat history and make a new low, your next and only stop is the volume from back here in April. So that takes you all the way down to that 1414 at that 2.3 price level. So this is definitely on the table, in my opinion, if it's going to play out like that. So I would just kind of watch the support levels here. Of course, it does not have to come down to the measured move. It could come down and hold the 0.5 and go sideways. It could hit the 618 and go sideways, or the 786. So just keep an eye on these levels here. But from this textbook bear flag pattern with the volume spike up and then the volume just went to zero, there's a potential that you're coming all the way back down here to the bottom on Pepe. But if for some reason from where you are right now off of that 0.5 support, you get back over the 382 at 11.3 and we get back over the 200-day EMA back into this flag pattern, I would say at that point, if it does something like this, then it's going to invalidate that pattern here, because once you broke down below it, you should, as you did here, test it as resistance and then fall off the table. So that is what I think is going on Pepe. So we will leave it at that. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.